Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Roha's Art. Today I will paint another abstract painting. In this video I will tell a story about Snow White. This is a fairy tale love story. I hope you guys will be with me till the end. So once upon a time, a princess named Snow White lived in a castle with her father, the king, and her stepmother. The Queen, Snow White's stepmother, was a very beautiful lady. She had a magic mirror which could answer any questions about people within the kingdom. She would get ready every morning and ask the magic mirror, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?" Her stepmother, who is a witch. The witch uses an enchanted mirror to tell her who is the most beautiful woman in the kingdom. The mirror replied, "You're the most beautiful." One day her stepmother asked the mirror, and when the mirror answers Snow White, her stepmother has her taken into the forest to be killed. The huntsman charged with the task takes pity on the girl and sets Snow White free. She comes across a little house where 7 dwarfs live and makes her home with them. On discovering her stepdaughter is still alive, the witch disguises herself as an old woman and makes her way into the forest. She finds Snow White and gives her a poisoned apple to eat. Snow White instantly falls down as if dead. The dwarfs find her, apparently dead, when they return from work and place her in a glass coffin. The next day, a prince is riding through the forest and sees the beautiful Snow White in her coffin. He asks to take her back to her father's castle. During the journey, one of the men carrying the coffin trips, and the piece of poisoned apple is dislodged from Snow White's throat. She instantly wakes up, and she and the prince are married, and they lived happily ever after. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any of my videos. Please do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.